Well, at Quattro, we involve ourselves with a lot of affordable housing projects from the housing team, and we've got different range of sectors across the company, and particularly in the housing team we work with Gloucester City Homes a lot, trying to enhance communities like this with new buildings, new affordable, comfortable, efficient buildings. So when we were asked to look at the feasibility of taking down Clapham Court, it's something we would be very keen to get involved with. The building at the minute is very inefficient. GCH, when we had the many planning meetings, were saying that over the next 2 or 3 years, if this was to stay, it would cost them over £1 million in maintenance only. That's not people's rental income, the cost of their bills, it's just how to keep the building running would be over £1 million in 2 or 3 years. The new homes will be highly insulated. They're going to have a lot more space, a lot more natural light, and a lot more efficient heating and ventilation systems. What we're doing, the Clapham Court here, as we look at it, it's got 80 one-bedroom flats in it. So we'll be looking to remove this, as you already know, and replace it with 36 new affordable homes, and that ranges from 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom apartments, 3-bedroom and 4-bedroom houses. So it expands the scale of the range of the type of community people that can go in to these places. So it's not just a singular person or a couple, it's also family homes. So it's a very wide-ranging scope of accommodation here. So anything from a single person or a couple that maybe have no children or 1 kid, right up to a large family, because we've got 4-bedroom homes on here. It's all very inclusive. It'll include complete accessibility for all walks of life. Should you be in a wheelchair or should you have any kind of mental or learning disabilities, these are all very important to us and all included. Green Street runs right through the centre, so if we can visualise that there's 2 blocks essentially, and right in between the 2 blocks is what we're calling a green street. We call it that because it is mostly green and not hard standing. I think across the whole proposal there's up to 25 new trees and then a lot of enhanced planting, which will, it'll enhance the microclimate, the ecological microclimate. So birds, bats, bees will all have that kind of habitat that they don't have at the minute. So there'll be soft areas. We're going to put in even a play area in this area that we're standing beside, so it'll be able to draw the inhabitants out of their homes and hopefully share their experience with their neighbours within this green street. In terms of it being sustainable, largely in terms of the build, we have to look at the impact on the current environment. So there's a couple of category B trees right in the centre that have to be removed. However, quite importantly, as you enter the site, you might see that there's a very large tree, which is a category A tree, which means it's of significant importance. We've gone to great lengths to ensure that that's retained. Areas like this green area here that surrounds all the flats and the apartments that are still here, that's all going to be kept as well. So yeah, absolutely, the ecology and sustainability part is one of the forerunning sort of parameter that we would work to.